Planting tomatoes from start to finish involves several steps. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. Step 1. Indoor seed starting. If you want to start tomatoes indoors, begin about 8 weeks before the last frost date in your area. Fill seed trays with seed starting mix and plant the seeds according to the package instructions. Keep them in a warm and well-lit location or under grow lights. Step 2. Prepare the garden bed. Select a sunny spot in your garden with well-draining soil. Remove any weeds or debris from the area. Loosen the soil with a garden fork or tiller and amend it with compost or well-rotted manure to improve fertility and drainage. Step 3. Transplanting seedlings. Once the outdoor temperature and soil have warmed up and the seedlings have grown to about 8 inches tall, they are ready for transplanting. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball of each seedling. Carefully remove the seedling from its container and place it in the hole. Gently fill in the soil around the roots, firming it lightly. Step 4. Watering water. The transplanted seedlings thoroughly after planting. Tomatoes need consistent moisture, so water them regularly, aiming for about 1.5 inches of water per week. Avoid overhead watering to prevent diseases. Instead, water at the base of the plants. Step 5. Staking or supporting tomatoes benefit from support to keep their vines off the ground and promote better air circulation. Install stakes or cages near each plant while they are still small to avoid damaging the roots later. As the plants grow, gently tie the main stem to the support structure using soft plant ties or twine. Step 6. Pruning and suckering. Optional. Some gardeners choose to prune or sucker tomato plants to control their growth and improve airflow. Prune off any suckers, small shoots that emerge from leaf axils that you don't want to keep, and remove any lower leaves that touch the ground. Step 7. Fertilizing tomatoes are heavy feeders. Fertilize them with a balanced organic fertilizer or apply compost around the base of the plants every few weeks. Follow the package instructions for the recommended application rates. Step 8. Pest and disease management. Keep an eye out for common tomato pests like aphids, caterpillars, and tomato hornworms. Monitor for signs of diseases like blight or wilt and take appropriate measures such as using organic insecticides, companion planting, or practicing good garden hygiene to prevent or manage. Step 9. Harvest tomatoes when they reach their mature color and are firm but slightly soft when gently squeezed. Ripe tomatoes are best when allowed to fully develop on the vine. Remember, growing conditions and practices may vary depending on your specific location and climate. It's always a good idea to consult local gardening resources or experienced gardeners in your area for additional guidance.